Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issues with your LAN or network discovery not working properly on your Windows computer guys. For that let's fix that issue guys. For that go to search menu and type services. Just want to open it. In services locate DNS service. DNS client, or double click on it and check whether the startup type is automatic over here. You just want to check the service status is running or not. You just want to start it guys if it is not running and play and OK. After that let's move on to the next service guys. You just want to search for functionality discovery resources publication. You just want to double click on it and you just want to change this startup type to automatic and you just want to service status to start and apply and OK. And let's move on to the third services guys. You just want to locate the SSDP discovery. Double click on it. SSDP discovery. I just want to set this to automatic and if the service status is stopped you just want to start it guys and apply and OK. And next thing you want to search for UPnP device host. Double click on it and you just need to change the startup type to automatically and if the service status is stopped you just want to turn this start and apply and OK. And after that close out of here, go ahead and restart your PC. After that you should good to go guys. After that, that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.